Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an update video. Today I'm going to be updating you guys about one of the supplements that I talked about. I was going to update you after using it for a period of time, so I'm going to be doing that today. Okay, if you've been watching my videos and you find them helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like these videos, and you get notified whenever I upload videos like this. Like, click the notification bell. On this channel, we'll talk about skincare products, pro mixing, organic supplements, everything beauty. So if you see something and you would like to know more about it, this is probably the place to be. Okay, so let's get right into this video. Today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Glutax 75G supplements. This video is not going to be a very lengthy video, trust me. I'm just going to go straight into it. So I'll leave a link of me introducing the supplements to you guys. But this is my update. So it's been about 4 months, probably 4 months. This supplement is Glutax 75G. DCRP 75,000. It's 60 in this pack. 60. This is how it is. Now this supplement is said to be like the injection. There are so many Glutax. This is the injection type. So this is injection in pill, as it says. It contains so many things. It's more of a science-based supplement rather than, like the way jaw white is or the way satin skin is. They have a lot of like tripeptides. They have so many scientific things here. They have glutathione and so many things. And it says this is 300 milligram. So this is probably like a lot compared to like 75 mg or 100 mg of glutathione. I'm not sure this glutathione is in its pure form. Probably they've done something with glutathione, and it is said that this supplement or this company has won an award and so many other things. Okay, first of all, it's said to take 1 soft gel daily, preferably with a meal. You can also take it as a dietary supplement and all of that. What I'll tell you is glutathione is supposed to be taken on empty stomach. That's why this one is a little confusing for me, because it's glutathione, but like I said, it has a lot of science things behind it, and so probably that's why you can take it with a meal. It is made in Italy, and it's said to contain hyaluronic acid, EDTA, antioxidants, that's glutathione. It helps with skin lightening, improve metabolism, sun pigmentation, anti-aging, etc., etc. Now, the person I got this supplement from, she said her complexion or shade was from 6 months of using this. Now, this is 60 gels, and this product is about 25,000. And she said she got this from using this for 6 months, right? With collagen and all of that. This was her main supplement. Okay. So at the time I stopped taking jaw whites, I started taking Glutax. And to be honest, I didn't see any results. I used Glutax from, I think, about 4 months. It's not up to 4 months because it's 60 gels. But this review is about 4 months. I took it for like a month, almost 2 months. It's 60 gels. Okay. So when I was taking it alongside with my jaw white because I wanted more glutathione in my system, but I just noticed like either it was countering the effect of jaw white, it wasn't working. My skin wasn't glowing. My skin wasn't looking any better, and so I stopped taking jaw whites, and then I started taking only this because I was like, maybe because I'm combining 2 of them together, they're not complementing each other. And so I started taking only this. Let me open so you guys can see what I have in here. It's not even up to, it's probably like roughly like 20 that is in here. This is how it is. It's not bitter, it's easy to take and all of that. So I was like, it's not working for me. I don't understand what's going on. And she's like, okay, have I been taking it? And I was like, I'm taking it with a meal, because that's what it says. And she's like, okay, don't take it with a meal, like take it on empty stomach. Which I started doing. I did it for a couple of weeks. I still wasn't getting the results. And I'm like, I don't want to spend 25,000 naira on a supplement. I spent 25K because I'm like, it's 2 months, it will last me. So I'm spending that amount and I did not get any results. To cut the long story short, for me, I didn't see any results with this Glutax. Even when I started taking on empty stomach, I didn't see any results. I was taking this with vitamin C as well. I didn't see any results. Will I try this again? Probably some other time. But at this point, no. I'm going to keep using my Joe White and my Glutaberry. If you're looking for, maybe if you're dark skinned, this will work for you. If you want to maintain your complexion, I think this will work for you. But for lightening, no. Have you used this supplement before? If you've used, please let me know in the comment section. And what were your results from using it? Because I would imagine that a supplement that has the strength of an injection will probably give like tremendous results. And this lady I'm talking about, her skin is really nice. Obviously, she said she used Glutax. Her skin is very nice. She was actually, before I started using Joe White, she was actually pushing this to me. But I told her that let me start with Joe White first. Then I said, okay, let me add Glutax to it just to like, because it has that injection like, it's like an injection in capsule form. But I didn't see anything. So it's only some left. I'm even thinking of emptying the sachet and putting in my cream so that it doesn't waste, because if something doesn't work for one thing, it might work for something else. I'm thinking of putting it in my body cream. Maybe to work that way since it's injection. But overall, Glutax didn't work for me. Okay, so I just wanted to update you guys on that. If you've used Glutax, please let me know in the comment section. And if you feel like maybe I did something wrong, I wasn't using it right, or something about it, let me know. But on a personal note, Glutax didn't work for me. Everybody's skin type varies. Everybody's metabolism varies. I don't really know. I didn't notice anything from this, to be honest. I stopped using my Joe and I focused on it with my vitamin C. I didn't see anything. Compared to Joe White, like I literally started using my Joe White in January, like second week of January. Like I resumed using Joe White, and I think December or I started using Joe White like December. Yeah, just a little bit after December or January, but it's been about 2 to 3 weeks, and my skin is gradually coming back together. Like my skin is literally glowing. And then imagine using this for like 1 month. And I used this for 1 month. I'm not joking, you guys. It's not about patience or not being patient. Let me even count how many I have here, so that you guys will know how many I've taken. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 24. I've taken 24 out of it, so that leaves me with 36. So I've taken more than a month and some days, and you can imagine no results. So maybe it's a supplement that you have to use longer. I don't know, but for something that claims to have over 300,000 milligrams of DNA glutathione, that's what it says, it should give tremendous results. Okay. All right, guys, that's just my quick update. I just wanted you guys to know. And see, Joe White's Glutaberry is working great for me. This is me, no lights. I'm inside, no artificial lights, nothing, no lighting, and I look like this. So, yeah. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. And watch the ads. My goodness. Ads like max, like 1 minute. Eh? How will your girl make this money? Oh, let me even show you guys my Glutaberry. So So this is my Glutaberry. If you watch that my video, I'll link this video. I drink it like I've not eaten. I'll just be sipping it. It's not bitter, it's sweet. Instead of taking juice and Coke and Fanta, take your Glutaberry. Okay? Bye guys.